Welcome to the Beauty of Theology, Episode 1, The Mark of the Beast. And this is the Mark of the Beast. Amazing, huh? Well, you might ask yourself, how in the world does this equal 666 like it says in Revelation 13 of the King James Bible? Well, it's a cipher. The Mark of the Beast cipher is a secret code. So, when you turn the key, you unlock the code. Turn the symbol. Now, you have the little X box, X-Men, X-Files, subliminal messages. They've been pre-programming you to receive this. As you can see, the Greek X is 600, represented legitimately. This is legitimately 600. This is the Hebrew for 60, legitimately represented. This is 60. Now, part of the cipher is the top half of the X turns into the V. The V, the Vav, the 6. So this actually does equal 666. The amazing thing is that the Bible was written in Hebrew and Greek. The Mark of the Beast is written in Hebrew and Greek. You might be asking yourself, why is this the Mark of the Beast? Because in Daniel 7, Revelation 13, Revelation 12, 13, 17, and 18, the beast is Rome, the fourth kingdom. The Roman Emperor Constantine, he saw a vision in the heavens of a cross of light above the sun. And it said, in this sign conquer. The word sign, signo in Latin, also means mark. In this mark conquers. This is the mark that changed everything. After Constantine saw this, he legalized Christianity. He mixed Christianity with paganism, Roman Satanism, and created the whore of Babylon, the prostitute church. So this is what Constantine saw. This is the mark of Rome, the mark of the beast over the churches. But it goes deeper than that. We're going to get into the real religion of Satanism. So, Aleister Crowley, the wickedest man in the world, he said that the great work, the magnum opus, is the uniting of opposites. So right here, this is the real religion of Satan. You have one devil, but he's a split personality. He has two names, Lucifer the light and Satan the darkness. Okay? But there's one entity. You could choose to serve the light or the dark. Here's some of the symbols he goes by. The sun represents Lucifer the light, the moon represents Satan the dark, and the balance of good and evil supposedly is the eclipse. Number 2, the triangle going up is the light of Lucifer, the one upside down is Satan the dark, and you have the balance, which is the hexagram, which is on the flag of Israel. Number 3, the arrows. One going up represents the light of Lucifer, the one upside down is Satan the dark, and then you have the Masonic Lodge, or whatever else goes by that. And the mystery religion is in the great whore of Babylon, Revelation 17 and 18, the Roman Catholic Church. The woman represents the light of Lucifer, and the man represents the dark of Satan. And you put the opposites together, and you get the child, what Aleister Crowley called the crowned and conquering child. So now we know what that means. Or you have Isis and Osiris, and then you have the child, Horus. Now we know what Horus represents, the new and improved resurrected devil, right? Okay, and then you have some more opposites. You have the horizontal line and you have the vertical line. You put them together, you have the balance. Now we know what the cross means. It was never a Christian symbol. It was before Jesus, and it's the balance of good and evil. But what Aleister Crowley really meant by the great work is the uniting of opposites, is the uniting of flesh and spirit, the uniting of evil spirits and mankind. So the mark of the beast is not only the sign of the devil, Lucifer and Satan together for the resurrected, risen devil, the phoenix, but it also represents demon possession. So every time, and the early Christians saw the Roman Catholic Church, it says that the mark of the beast would be in the right hand of the forehead. Well, when you're baptized into the Roman Catholic Church, you get the sign of the cross in your forehead as an infant. On Ash Wednesday, you get the sign of the cross in your forehead on Ash Wednesday. So it's in your forehead. It's literally also in your right hand, right? Because if you're a faithful, devout Roman Catholic, you're doing the sign of the cross during meals. You're doing it at cemeteries, funerals, etc. It's in your right hand of your forehead. That was not the mark of the beast, but it was a prototype so they could identify the great whore. So, this is what's going to be issued, and it's a sign of demon possession. It's a sign of evil spirits and mankind, which is going to happen once it gets activated in your right hand of your forehead. So we have 2 or 3 witnesses. In the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses shall every word be established. The first witness is Constantine. The second witness is Aleister Crowley. And, of course, it's written in Greek and Hebrew. I don't know if we missed anything from the earlier session, but that's what we're doing now. And I'll answer your questions in the comment section. We're going to have a question and answer format. So feel free to ask your questions. Be respectful, because... just be respectful. God bless you.